Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price is moving in sideways range along with price taking downside key support at $24.70 in multiple trading sessions. However, key resistance hold at $25.20 level and break above will surge the price further up till $25.45 and $25.70 level in near term. MCX gold price settle above 71,000 level on downside, which also act as a key support along with price moving in sideways range indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 71,800 level and break above will surge the price further up till 72,500 and 73,000 level in near term. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.